Weave welding. FAIRINO robot weave welding function supports various weave shapes, including triangle wave, vertical L-shaped, triangle, circular, sine wave, and angled zigzag patterns. Arc tracking welding. Using real-time arc current voltage data, the system calculates torch to groove offset and dynamically compensates path deviations, ensuring positional accuracy and consistent weld integrity. Wire touch sensing. Through wire workpiece contact current detection, the system determines the object's position in robot coordinates. It automatically searches edges, records boundary points upon contact-triggered voltage signals from the welder, enabling precise localization. Weld restart function. Upon interruption, the robot reignites from the breakpoint, retracts a set distance, and overlaps the previous weld to ensure quality. Multi-layer multipass welding. Used for thick materials, this technique connects components via controlled layered beads, with optimized sequencing to maximize joint strength and service life. Fillet weld. For fillet joints, this technique enhances structural strength by forming a continuous transition that wraps around the workpiece edges. By optimizing weld profile and leg size, it ensures uniform penetration and eliminates undercutting, thereby improving load-bearing capacity and fatigue resistance. Effectively distributes stress and prevents cracking.